Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we're doing a brand new mukbang. Today we have Little Caesars pizza, and alright, we're recording once again with voice memo, so it's recording through this microphone just because it sounds better when eating. Hopefully it's not too loud. But guys, we have a little thing of ranch here. This is a nice little setup we got going on, guys. We're going to be using this setup from now on for mukbangs. It's a brand new table I just got. Here's the pizza, guys. There we go. It's in focus. There we go. It's going to be a lot better for focusing. So, guys, without further ado, let's get started. My camera hopefully shouldn't die, but if it does, I'm sorry. So, got the pizza right there. Let's go. Yes, my guy. That looks sick. I haven't had pizza in so long. By the way, this pizza is from Little Caesars. Look at that in focus. Now we got a big slice next, alright? Look at it. That is a huge slice. Are you serious, guys? It's actually insane. Hold on. Are you ready? Cut my thumbnail. I'm gonna make sure the mic. Alright, we get you. That was a really good bite with the pepperoni. That was a whoa! That was a really spicy one. This is water, guys, by the way. That was a really spicy bite. What the heck? Literally just took off the cheese. So good. Comment down below if you guys are eating with me. And if you are, comment down below what you're eating. Focus. It's so hard still. I don't know. So good. My first ever mukbang was actually Little Caesars, so. And it's always so short. It's like 6 minutes each. I don't know. Little Caesars is just that way because I only have 2 slices. But guys, if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe. Ding. And of course, hit that notification bell, guys. And of course, hit the like button, guys. Aim for 5 likes. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.